if I call you right now and I tell you I'm in your driveway and we're gonna go for coffee? What are you gonna do?
Pastas, cannolis, and people slamming by your car in very tight streets.
Hello? Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're a new subscriber, hello, my name is Annalisa J. If you are a returning subscriber, there are many of you. Thank you so much for your continued love and support and for all the amazing comments. I am learning so much from you. I am truly enjoying the interaction that goes on in the comments. And for those of you who don't know, I post new videos every Sunday. So today's video, I think it's gonna benefit everybody, and in a way, it's gonna kind of tie in a little bit all of the things that we discussed, and we're gonna discuss on how to instantly look put together at the last minute. And this is if you get that phone call while you're lounging around at home where your friends are like, hey, we're in the area, do you want to meet with us? Or maybe you get the last minute interview that you weren't expecting. There are a few things that you can do that shouldn't take you more than maybe 20-30 minutes to make you feel confident, put together and polished and ready for any situation. Before we start the video, if you haven't already done so, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for all my upcoming videos so you're not gonna miss any of the new content. Let's get started. When it comes to looking polished and put together, many people seem to overthink it, thinking they have to redo their wardrobe and completely redo their makeup and skincare. While it's good to go through things and clean up and declutter and pretty much keep what you really are using, there are also some tricks that shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes to really pull yourself together. For anything that life can throw at you at the very last second, it might be an amazing opportunity to meet somebody you really admire and you don't want to pass it on because you are not ready. This whole look took me about 30 minutes to do, including choosing some wardrobe staples, and I was ready to get out the door. So let's take a closer look of what are those little things that everybody can do at the last moment. Step 1, give yourself a quick manicure on the go. If you don't have time to do a full-on manicure or go get one, just trim your nails, do a quick filing if needed to, and if you have absolutely no time, just apply some cuticle oil, moisturize your hands, and you'll be good to go. You can leave your nails bare because if they're moisturized, they're gonna look beautiful, or if you have time, put a coat of polish. However, golden rule, if your nail polish is chipping, remove it. It will look a lot more clean and polished and put together with nothing at all than with chipped nail polish. Remember, the hands and the mouth are two of the first things that people that meet you for the first time will look at. Step 2, just as you did for your hands, don't forget to moisturize your face, your skin, and your lips. I believe that once your skin is clean and moisturized, it automatically will look more healthy, glowy, and radiant. And any product that you're gonna apply afterwards will melt right into the skin, looking very natural. If you use foundation or powder foundation, if you're in a hurry, try and opt for a tinted moisturizer like the one I'm using right here from Bare Minerals. It's called Complexion Rescue. I love this product because it has an SPF of 30. It feels like a gel on the skin. It melts right in. It's very light and it's just enough to even out the tone of your skin, the little imperfection, and just give you a nice healthy glow without making it look caked on, especially if you're in a hurry and you do not have time to work in some powder foundation or some liquid foundation. Always make time to conceal. If you need to spot conceal, do so. In my case, I was up late last night, so my dark circles are a little bit darker today. So I put a nice little coat of concealer. I use a very light concealer. This is Yves Saint Laurent Touche Eclat. It's a very light, very moldable, spreadable concealer, and it just adds a little bit of luminosity in my under eye to make me look nice and rested. One rule that I have, and I find those to be the most feminine things that we can do for ourselves in regards of look and makeup, is to always make time for a good coat of mascara and a nice blush. very gently applied, almost just a dusting or just a swipe if you're using a cream blush like I am. And I like to use my hands with a lot of product. I feel that they warm up the product, making it sink and blend and melt really nicely into the skin, and it doesn't just sit on top. So I prefer to work with my hands, especially if I'm in a hurry. I feel it gives a very natural, very just a little bit lived in, but very clean look. Something else that will make you instantly look polished is never forget to brush your eyebrows. I am absolutely loving this Merit Brow Volumizing Pomade, which adds a little bit of color and volume to make your eyebrows look super polished. Merit is a clean minimalist beauty which takes a less is more approach. For full transparency, Merit was kind enough to send me this product to try out, but I will definitely repurchase once this is empty. Don't forget to brush your hair. A lot of people forget this little detail, but brushing your hair, especially if you were just lounging around and they might be messy because you just woke up, brush your hair. If you don't have time to wash them, you can use a dry shampoo. There are some amazing ones, like the one I love so much is Chlorine. It's very refreshing, it's very light, and it gives your hair a second life instantly, especially if you're in a hurry or is it a last moment thing that you need to do. Brush your hair, put some hair oil at the end if you need to moisturize, and pull them up in a ponytail or put some cute barrettes. It will give an instant polished and put together look, and it's gonna look like you took so long to get your hair ready when in reality it took you only a couple of minutes. Don't forget your lips. This is important because this will complete the look. Whether you opt to stay clear just with some lip butter, or if you decide to go with a little bit more of a statement look. Today I opted for MAC A Dozen Carnation. I love this color for spring into summer. I feel it's still in the red family, but it's very fresh and very glowy. It's a little bit more of a creamy formula, so it's really pleasant to wear, and I feel it just makes you look very fresh, and it's perfect for just that last moment getting out of the house. As you know, red lipsticks can be a little bit harder to apply. This one you can just put a couple of coats and be on your way. Final touches, don't forget to add a pair of cute earrings, and the last touch, a little bit of perfume if you choose to do so. I am Italian, we do wear perfume. One of my favorite perfumes, and it's my go-to because it's very light and very refreshing, is Chanel Chance Eau Tendre in pink. You already know from my other videos that if you dress for your body and you take the time to build your wardrobe, it will be a breeze to just pick something out and you know it's gonna fit, it's gonna be quality, and you're gonna look good. So just grab your clothes, put them on. Remember, if you choose denim, a dark wash will always look more put together than a light wash. And then just accessorize with a fun purse, color shoe, or some sunglasses. This is how I get ready if somebody calls me up at the last moment. I feel this is also a good look for every day, just going to work, going run errands. It's very easy. It shouldn't take you more than literally 20-25 minutes to get it all done, and you're gonna feel confident and put together and polished. I hope you enjoyed this video. What are your tips? What are your tips if I call you right now and I tell you I'm in your driveway and we're gonna go for coffee? What are you gonna do? I want to know. I will see you down in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed my content. It's the biggest compliment you can give me, and it also helps me out with letting me know that I'm doing a good job or I'm not doing a good job. I will see you next Sunday right here for a brand new video, and I think it's gonna be one that you guys requested, but I'm not gonna tell you which one. Bye. Have a beautiful week. Bye.